In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can find Snapchat users near you. Okay, so what you need to do first is go to your Snapchat app. After that, you have to click on your profile option like here. Please watch the full video and leave a like if this works and subscribe this channel. So after that, you have to scroll all the way down. But here is the first option. You have to turn on your location. Okay, so that Snapchat can find people near you. They can locate you. Okay, after that you have to scroll all the way down and you have to find the snap map option right here. Then what you need to do is click on the entire option in the here. You tap on it. Here you can see this is me and this is the people around me. They are using Snapchat. Okay, so this is how you can find any people or you find people nearby you in Snapchat app. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel and leave a like on this video. Okay, peace.